Hey y'all, welcome back. I am excited to be sitting down to film today, or if you're new around here, hello and welcome. My name is Katie Marie. If you're not new around here, you might have noticed I've been pretty quiet on my channel. I haven't uploaded the last 2 weeks, and it's because I got over a pretty nasty bug that I caught from somewhere, but that's not the point of this video. I'm sure I'll catch you up later, but I just wanted to do this little intro to let you guys know I am going to be cleaning out my space. This one thing that I have realized, like as I've been getting better, it's that like after, if you're a mom and you've been out of commission for a while, you finally feel better and you look around and everything around you is just a disaster because you've been out of commission. That's how my house has been the last week, and today I want to tackle this room. Since I've been feeling well, I've been tackling all the other areas of my house. This closet is a wreck, and like that I need to wash brushes really bad, but beyond that, my table is a mess. The floor is a mess because once or twice while I was sick and having to like be sick with the child and whatnot, I had her in my room. My youngest is like 1.5 years. She got in here and just pulled out drawers and dumped them. So I have makeup all over the floor and I just need some time to clean it. So it is quiet time and nap time in my household, and I just want to be able to relax during quiet time and clean it up. And I thought it'd be fun to show you guys the process of cleaning it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and record as I clean up my makeup table, the floor, and just kind of give you guys a clean, refresh, organized, not really a declutter, but just being able to put everything back together, because if that's one thing that helps me kind of feel more relaxed and more at peace when I get to sit down and do my makeup, it's having a clean and orderly space. So that's what we're going to be doing today. But before we dive into it, I do want to share with you guys that I am sponsoring this video with Ana Luisa. And Ana Luisa is not a new sponsor to my channel. I have been sponsored by them for the past couple years, and they sent me a few more things, but they're wanting me to kind of share with you guys a little bit about their Valentine's Day sale that's going on. So this promotion is around Valentine's Day, and they wanted to focus on self-love, and I thought this would be a perfect video to do because like I said, if it's something that I can do for me, if I can organize and clean my space, because I could just, you know, plop down and do my makeup and run out, and it could just be a hectic mess. But it's very good for me in the morning when I come in to do my makeup, on the days when I do my makeup, to have a clean space, because it just helps me to kind of relax and enjoy the time that I'm here and know where all my stuff is, for starters, because it's a mess trying to find everything. But it helps me to relax, and it's a good start to my day if I can have a very clean and orderly space. So I thought it was very fitting with the collab, or with the sponsor, or this, you know, this sponsorship with Ana Luisa. And I did want to share with you guys some of the pieces. If you are new to Ana Luisa, if this is your first time seeing them on my channel, they are a jewelry brand. I'm always wearing their pieces. I have their little K necklace on for my necklace right now. I usually have 1 or 2, but since being sick, I just have the K. And then I have these cute little earrings, and also this new one that they just sent me and I popped on for this video. Let me check what the name is called. This is called the Julia earring, and it's just one piece. It's not like a what do you call it? I don't have my ear pierced there, but it's just one of those type of earrings that you can slip on and rotate. I'm gonna struggle to do it now that I'm on camera, but it slipped on really easy before. There we go. And I think it's just really cute, just something different, a little bit something new and different that I typically don't wear, but I thought it was really fun. And then I also have a few other pieces. This one I'm super excited. Look at these. Let me put it the right way. This is called the Kim necklace, or earrings. Can I speak correctly? My camera is not gonna want to focus. Come on. All right, quick edit later because that was taking way too long to focus. But look at these cute earrings. Instead of the typical way that earrings are, these actually come behind the ear, and then this flower will peek out around your earlobe. I think that's so cute and different. All right, an edit for this as well, because I had to kind of set them up. They were all tangled behind, but this is called the Shane earrings, and it's just a little bit of chain that's dropped behind, that again, it goes behind your ear and then comes forward. I hope I'm in focused here, but just really cute, dainty little pair of earrings with a little, what is that, little tiny little diamond looking thing in the middle there. Super cute, very dainty. I can't wait to wear this one. And then last step, these are really cute, especially if you have more than one piercing. I only have one piercing in my ears, but they're the kind that almost like hug and go up. So if you have multiple piercings, that'd be really cute, kind of going up your ear. But regardless, I'm still gonna wear them even though I don't have multiples, just because they're so cute and dainty. Again, just a little cute little earring design that I'm super excited to have. And I don't think I mentioned, oh, it's upside down, my bad, but this is called Bonnie. All right, focus back on me. Sorry for all those edits, but yeah, Bonnie, super cute. Very excited to wear these these earrings, and that's one of the things I love about Ana Luisa. Not only are they like really nice and dainty pieces, which just tends to be what I like to wear throughout the day. Like I enjoy wearing more statement piece, more bold or, you know, loud or, you know, large type of earring in my ear. But for the day-to-day, and especially just when I'm too busy to care to change out my earrings to something fun and bold and different, I love the dainty pieces that I can put in my ears, and I never have to take them out. Even if I'm like cleaning out the pig pen, you know, it doesn't matter. They're nice, little, dainty. I've had these earrings on, really cute, like pearl, but they're like iridescent, so you see different colors flashing. But I've had them on for a couple weeks, and they look great. They are, you know, they go through the wash, they go through the shower just fine with me. And I love them about them. And not only that, I love that they're really nice and high quality. Ana Luisa jewelry is fantastic quality when it comes to their pieces. I've had them going on 3 years now. I've never had any issues with any of them, like tarnishing. I've never had any issues with them bothering my ears either. And I'm someone who I can't wear like fake jewelry for very long. And when I was younger, I couldn't even wear it like a full day. It would just, my ears would be so swollen and tender and like hurting. But even now as an adult, I can't wear them too often or for too long, too many days in a row without that happening. And like I said, I wear these days on end, weeks on end without changing, and I never have any issues at all. So I absolutely love Ana Luisa, and I highly encourage you to check them out. They're a very, they're climate neutral certified if you're curious, but they're very earth conscious brand where they're trying to, yes, bring you beautiful jewelry, but not at the expense of the planet. And I think that's a really, you know, good way to go about providing us beautiful jewelry without in excess to create a lot of waste or to create a lot of, you know, damage to the environment around us, which I think is really awesome. And that's one of the reasons why they don't have a ton of stock, or they don't have a ton of different designs always available. They bring designs out and they, you know, will have them and produce them for a while, but once they sell out and they phase them out, they don't like always keep them. They have their few staple pieces that they always have, like I know the Michelle set is always there, and the what was that set? I'm blanking on it now. Elise set that I really like, the earrings, but they have a few of their staples that obviously do really well, so they keep them. But a lot of the pieces that they bring out for the season and whatnot, they, you know, they release them, they sell out, and then they're kind of gone forever, and they're able to release something new and a new design. But they do it in small batches, small quantities, so they don't have a lot of excess to deal with or just to hold on to and have stock of, so that they can keep their, you know, their operation running, you know, smoothly and not having, as I said, too much waste. So I really like that about the brand. And as I said, great quality pieces. You know, the brand stands for something I really do appreciate, and I think they're doing a great job with when it comes to, you know, their pieces. And they also recycle jewelry as well, which I think is an awesome thing to do, and so that there's less waste in the world. So highly recommend them if you're looking for yourself to buy something for yourself for Valentine's Day or for a loved one. Highly recommend them. The link will be down below in the description box, and it is a tracking link. It's not an affiliate link. It just lets the brand know, Ana Luisa know how many people I send their way from this video. So that'll be down below. And thank you so much to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. And with that said, that's gonna do it. We can go ahead and segue right into cleaning this mess and helping just make, you know, make my life a little bit easier, make my time in this room when I get ready and I'm able to do my makeup and have fun with makeup, make it more enjoyable and relaxing for me. So let's go. All right, so I'm recording this outro the next day, so hence the outfit change, but my makeup area, my little closet here where I get ready in the morning is all clean, and I feel so much better. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me sort through it. I have a nice big pile of like new products that I had put down here, and just things got like thrown on top of it, and I forgot they were here, so hopefully soon I'll be trying the Smashbox Halo concealer and what do you call it? What is this? This is a all-in-one tinted moisturizer, which is fantastic because my tinted moisturizers that I have are, you know, starting to run out, so I can't wait to try those. I also have, of course, I think you guys saw the DD Signatures new releases, and also this Ace Beauté that I meant to try today, but I did not. But I'm going to hopefully try their cream products because I do enjoy cream products these days. I do a lot of like cream contour, concealer, and then powder, and like that's all I do for my base. I did a little more today, but in the day in and day out, that's what I've been doing, or just a tinted bronzer or tinted moisturizer, a little bit of contour, powder, and that's it type of thing, and concealer. I don't usually forget concealer under my eyes, but anyway, I'm very minimal with my face, so I'm excited to try those products. I got them set over here on the side. I got all my brushes washed, which is such a relief because that's been on my to-do list for months, and yeah, I feel really good to sit down and play with makeup today and do my eyes. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Once again, thank you so much to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. Of course, my battery dies right at the outro, but I was just saying, if you are shopping for a loved one for Valentine's Day or want to get yourself a little gift for Valentine's Day, the link and all the information for their Ana Luisa sale will be down in the description box, and I can't remember if it cut me off, but thank you so much to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. And yeah, with all that said, that is gonna do it for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys.